What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to restore your iPhone or iPad using a Mac computer. So getting right into it, the first thing you're going to want to do is bust out your phone or iPad, swipe down and type settings, go into settings and then swipe down again so you can get the search bar up top and type find, and then you'll see find my iPhone pop up top. Click on that, it'll take you into your Find My settings. Click on the Find My iPhone or Find My iPad and turn off Find My and then either iPad or iPhone. It'll ask you for your password, just type it in, and once that's turned off, we can continue. So now that you've got Find My turned off on your iPad or iPhone, the next thing you're going to want to do is open up Finder on your computer, plug in your iPad or iPhone. On the left-hand side, the device will pop up. Go ahead and click it. Click on Restore, and then select the backup you want to go to. Now, word of the wise, make sure that the backup you're going to is really where you want to be. If there's anything on your iPad that's not backed up, or photos or pictures or anything like that, once you restore this, that data will be gone. And everything that's contained within this backup will now be the only data that's on your device. So be sure you're restoring to a device that you actually want to wipe. Then just go ahead and click Restore. It'll ask you if you're sure, and then click Erase and Restore. Once you go ahead and click Erase and Restore, all the data will be written to your iPad in this case, or iPhone, and you'll be good to go. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.